Welcome back. I'm N.S. Lavanya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Dear students, let's look at Unit 2, Listening and Speaking in Communicative English 2. A speech is usually a formal address delivered to an audience. Great speeches are excellent examples of ideas well expressed. Listening to speeches by people from various walks of life on a variety of subjects will not only increase your vocabulary but will also make you familiar with the different ways in which one uses one's tone and body language to communicate your ideas effectively. So you have to listen to people who make a speech. Kinds of speeches. A speech could be made at both formal and informal occasions to inform, persuade, or entertain. Speeches by historians and scientists are largely informative. A speech which is meant to persuade an audience could be made by managers during a sales pitch or by politicians to encourage people to vote in favor of something or take some actions. Entertaining speeches are given at informal gatherings like dinner parties, team parties, and weddings to raise a toast. These are not meant to teach anything to the audience. These speeches rely heavily on anecdotes and humor, while in the other kinds of speeches they may be used sparingly. There is no hard and fast rule that one needs to adhere to while preparing a speech. However, to fulfill one's purpose and to communicate effectively, one should equip oneself to both prepare and deliver speeches. You would come across several occasions, both now while in college and later in your career, when you may have to deliver a speech. For instance, you may have to prepare a speech for an event in college, a welcome speech, or deliver the vote of thanks, or a speech to share the concept note of an event, or you might make a speech at an oratorical competition. Most of you would make a seminar presentation in the classroom or summarize your project. In all these times, you have to prepare a speech. Based on the type of delivery, speeches could be classified as speech from memory, delivery based on a manuscript, extempore, impromptu. Although speeches could be composed and delivered in different ways, they generally follow a common format. The introduction contains a hook to draw the audience attention. It highlights what would be spoken about in the speech, the purpose, and prepares the audience to pay attention to what is to follow. The hook may be an anecdote, a joke, or interesting facts or statistics that is gripping. The body has the main points supported by details, real-time examples, or statistics. In a persuasive speech, the speaker presents arguments and counter-arguments to convince the audience in believing their point of view. The conclusion summarizes the key points made and ends with a powerful thought. The speaker makes an appeal for a specific action or motivates the audience to decide in the concluding remarks of his persuasive speech. Dear students, you have to practice a lot before making a speech. So, regularly maintain the habit of writing and learning. Easiest way to learn to make a good speech is to learn from examples. History is filled with landmark speeches made by world's top leaders and performers. You can search on the internet Jawaharlal Nehru's Tryst with Destiny and write down. You can also listen to Malala, the Young Achiever's speech, and write down in your notes. And listen to various speech patterns of the famous leaders and famous speakers. That's that. Thanks for watching this video.